I never thought that in high school I would be actually doing all this lab work. I actually thought, oh, it's high school, it's just going to be a simple little 4 years and then I'm off to college. I didn't think I'd actually be working in the lab until actually I graduated.
So a lot of the techniques that these kids are doing are the same techniques they even saw being done in research labs.
Well, I love science. I always had an interest for it, and it was a great opportunity when I found out, so I just came here and I loved it.
My favorite part is actually, the extracting of DNA from all the works.
The Bioscience Academy is an experience for students to really explore new avenues of science that they hadn't thought about before.
It's a program where they give you a chance to use materials you really don't use. At high school, they teach you different stuff, and then it's really cool because you have to work with a lot of scientific stuff. You feel really smart.
When you start off, you're diagnosing diabetes and learning about it basically, and your later years when you come back, you'll be diagnosing cancer, studying a specific cancer.
The main focus was around how we use DNA technologies to diagnose diseases like diabetes. Our other group of students has been working on studying cancers, and they all came in and they chose a cancer that they were interested in, and then they looked at human genes that are implicated in those cancers. So many cancers have many different genes that affect them. And so from that list of human genes, they made comparisons with a little worm that you're going to see upstairs called C. elegans, a tiny little microscopic worm. And they looked for genes in the worm that matched the human genes. And then they chose one of those worm genes to study.
What are the components of the Bioscience Academy? You enroll in the Academy as a 9th grader or a 10th grader. Each summer until your high school graduation, you will participate in college courses on the Kansas City, Kansas Community College campus. You will have the opportunity to participate in hands-on learning experiences in campus labs and workplace sites. Ultimately, you will graduate high school with college credit, career readiness certificates, and knowledge and experience in the biosciences.
If someone wants to join the Bioscience Academy next year, I would have to share with them that it's going to be a really once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that you could really get into.
Well, it has to do with science, and if you love science, it's a great opportunity. And it's not only about science, it's about the technology.
You get to use your own DNA and learn more about yourself and get leadership skills, and if you want to do something in the science field, this is a place.
Maybe a lot of work of getting up and getting ready to come here, but once you're here and you get to see how a lab actually looks and how everything works,